Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to delete your workspace in your Notion application or Notion desktop or website. So now the first thing that I want you to do is to connect to your Notion website with your Google or Apple account, or you can just connect with your email. Otherwise you can just open your desktop application and follow these simple steps. So the first thing that we need to do so we can delete our workspace is to go to the settings and the member here. After you click on it, we will find all these settings here in the navigation tab. So basically we will need just to go to my account and search for the workspace option or settings. Here in the bottom we will find something that is called delete my account, and then you will search for the workspace settings, because those are the account settings. So here are the workspace settings, and at the bottom we will find the delete the entire workspace. You click on it, you will have a confirmation of confirmation message, and then you will just type the name of your workspace here as like a security measure, and then you will click on permanently delete workspace. After that you will have your workspace that has been deleted successfully. So basically this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.